unexpected line downtime, slow production rates, high operating costs, excessive waste, inconsistent machine settings and operation. In today's manufacturing market, there is no time for problems like these. Companies across the globe expect their machines and solutions to run correctly and efficiently, enabling them to deliver high-quality products on time and on budget. Machine Concepts has the engineered solutions for our customers' problems.
As a mechanical engineer here at Machine Concepts, I enjoy taking something from sketches through the design phase, through calculations, to the final product for the customer.
Since 1994, Machine Concepts has tirelessly dedicated its efforts to improving its products and processes, making it the machine builder it is today. These efforts serve our #1 priority: satisfy the needs and requirements of our customers.
Machine Concepts is a world-class machine builder. We listen to our customers and we strive to exceed their expectations in everything we build.
Machine Concepts prides itself on constantly creating new and innovative ideas, with the capability to create full production lines, turnkey projects, custom equipment projects for a special application, and retrofit and upgrade projects. Machine Concepts strives to push the envelope and over-deliver to its clients. Machine Concepts utilizes the newest and best technologies to create maintenance-friendly products with long-term reliability and excellent quality, backed by unmatched customer service. We offer the best long-term solutions and payback as a top-quality, value-added machine builder. Our strength as a company is present in our hard-working and dedicated employees who take pride in every Machine Concepts project. Our culture breeds a low employee turnover rate, so you can be guaranteed that your project is in seasoned, dedicated hands.
Machine Concept has a wealth of experience in their machinists. Most of them have an average of 30 years of machining.
Machine Concepts is a privately held, family-owned company that has a global presence in 13 countries. We stand behind our products and are committed to customer satisfaction, which is why Machine Concepts believes in constantly reinvesting in its facilities and equipment. In-house design, engineering, production, equipment inspection, testing and runoff minimize quality drop-off that comes from a project being handled by multiple entities. All equipment is designed and built in the USA. Whether your business is raw material stamping, automotive, manufacturing, service center, or industrial robotics and automation, Machine Concepts has the innovative culture and dedication to excellence to take your project through each step in-house and deliver the product you desire. Visit machineconcepts.com to get your next project underway.